Are you getting fiber internet installed with Nuvera? Here's exactly what to expect before install day and during the appointment.
Before your technician arrives, a few important things happen behind the scenes. First, you'll choose an install date and time window that works best for your schedule. Next, you'll receive a confirmation email with your appointment details so you know when to expect us. In some cases, a technician or construction crew may stop by before install day. This could include running fiber from your curb to your home or business, or preparing utility access so everything is ready for your big day.
On install day, an authorized adult 18 years or older needs to be home for the entire appointment window. You'll get a text message or phone call when your technician is on the way, so you're never left guessing.
If your home hasn't had Nuvera service before, your technician will start outside. They'll connect service lines from the underground pedestal or fiber network to your home. They'll install a network interface device, or NID, on the exterior of your house. This is where your home connects to the larger fiber network.
Next, the technician determines the best route to bring the fiber line inside. They may use an existing entry point or carefully drill a small hole to bring the fiber into your home. From there, wiring is run to where your optical network terminal, or ONT, will be installed.
Inside your home, the technician installs and connects your ONT and any required equipment. You and your tech will work together to determine the placement of the ONT for best coverage throughout the home or business.
Once everything is connected, it's time to power up and configure your service. Your technician will set up your network name and password, connect and test devices, check speeds and signal strength, including Wi-Fi if you have Nuvera's home Wi-Fi service. They'll make sure everything is running perfectly. Before they leave, you'll know your internet is ready to go. To help your install go smoothly, clear space around walls where the technician may work, decide in advance where you'd like your ONT, secure pets in another room, keep entry points and utility access areas unlocked.
And that's it. From start to finish, Nuvera is committed to making your fiber installation simple, professional, and stress-free. And don't forget to make your Wi-Fi go farther with the Nuvera IQ app. Learn more at the link on the screen. Welcome to faster, more reliable internet.